In a bright toy box, there lived a cowboy named Woody. One sunny day, Woody found a new friend, a plastic spork named Forky. Forky looked around, puzzled. "I'm not a toy," he said. "I'm just a spork." Woody smiled. "Well, whether you're a spork, a toy, or something in between, you're welcome here." Forky joined Woody and the gang on many adventures, but he always felt out of place. He couldn't understand why Woody and the others enjoyed playing. One day, Buzz Lightyear invited Forky to join them on a mission to infinity and beyond. Forky hesitated, still feeling like he didn't belong. "I'm just a spork," Forky said. "I can't do anything exciting like you guys." Buzz looked at Forky, his eyes filled with determination. "You may be a spork, but to us, you're one of the team. And that's what matters." Forky felt a warmth in his plastic heart. He realized that he didn't have to be a toy to be a friend. He could be himself and still be a part of the gang. From that day on, Forky embraced his new life as a toy. He learned to play, to laugh, and to enjoy the adventures with Woody and the others. And most importantly, he learned that it's not what you are, but who you are with that makes a toy truly special. At night, when the toys were all tucked away, Forky would look up at the stars and think about his journey. He was no longer just a spork. He was a friend, a toy, a part of a team, and most importantly, he was loved. And with that thought, Forky would close his eyes and drift off to sleep, dreaming of the adventures that lay ahead. The end.